Today I wanted to show you in this video how to make adjustments to this menu. You had a problem where you had accidentally dragged markets under home, and so then the drop down was appearing here instead of here, and then all these were also appearing under the home. So I fixed that. I wanted to show you quickly how that was done. So when you're in the editor of Wix, you want to come over here to this Menus and Pages menu. This is where you can move things around into the different orders that you would like, and you can also hide or show things. What had happened is that you may have accidentally dragged this into the home, under home, and it put it under the home. I have since fixed that, but I wanted to show you if you do run into that issue, here's how you can fix it. So when the home is expanded here, I can drag things into it. So I could drag the decorative lighting, for example, into it. And now, if I roll over home, it's going to have decorative lighting on it. Now, if I've done that by mistake and I want to get that out of there, there's a couple steps. Well, really one, you can just drag it over manually like this, but sometimes that can be problematic if the menu is too long and you have to scroll down. So the other option to get this back to be to be able to move it easier is to change this to be a main page. So that takes it out of the home page, and then you can collapse this home, and now I can more easily drag it here. In this case, that one wasn't hard, but if I had this up at the top here, let's show you, and it was a sub page. Now, if I wanted to drag it down into markets, it's problematic because it gets stuck right here. So the way to get it out of here is to make it a main page, then collapse this home, and you'll see it here is now a main page, and now I can drag it back into the sub pages. You can also reorder things this way, so if you wanted to change the order of them. You can also hide things, so you'll notice that on home right now, we have a whole bunch of pages that are hidden that aren't really part of the main menu structure. These are hidden right now. If we want to show them, we can hit show. You could put these under, for example, the under markets. Right now they're under home, but they can be moved. So I could move each one of these to be a main page and then move it into markets, and then I can show it if I want it to show up. You'll also notice that this is where you name the page. This is where the menu is getting its thing. So this one's lowercase. These are all uppercase. So if I wanted just to show, I'd probably want to retype this to be all uppercase so it matches the other ones. But I'm going to leave that hidden for now because I don't think we need to have that. And I'm actually going to leave that there. I think we can move all of these grayed out home ones over to the markets and just have them hidden if you'd like. It doesn't really matter because they're hidden. It doesn't matter. It's just kind of more for your use in the back end. But I find that with the home, if it's expand, it kind of moves everything else down, and all these are not pages I necessarily are probably going to edit that much yet. So anyway, that's how you would move them. I would just move them one by one. You can actually move them, scroll down here, and then just move them this way. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and just do that for you now because I think it makes more sense for them to be under markets. But of course, if you want to change this, it's no problem. And again, this really isn't seen by anybody but you because we have these hidden. So it doesn't really matter where they are if they're hidden in the menu, but it's more for your use of being able to quickly edit things. So like, for example, now the ones that are showing are way down on the list. So I'm going to close this and reopen it. Sometimes it's getting a little wonky because I've been moving so much stuff around. So I'm going to move all these back up so that they're at the top. I just find this is easier when I'm making edits, that if there's things, the main pages are the ones that are at the top and moves all those hidden things down below, so I'm not having to scroll past those to make my edits. Oh, I missed one. Let's move this down there. Okay. And we'll move this here too. All right, so you'll see how easy it is to kind of move things around in Wix. Now, the other thing I wanted to ask you and talk to you about is this trending option. So this actually, in the menu, is a folder that just has drop-down pages in it. So coming over here, you'll see that in the menu, it shows a little folder instead of a page icon, and then it has these 3 pages underneath. In mobile, let's go over to mobile. On the subpages, we have the header and footer. In Wix, basically, if you have a header and footer, it will show this mobile menu. So this is this mobile menu. They call it the Hamburger Menu. And you can expand things. It has drop downs, all this kind of stuff. Now, if I go to the home page, you'll notice that we don't have the mobile menu here. That's because this home page has a different layout than all the subpages, and it doesn't use the header and the footer that are normally used on the other pages. That header has a band basically across it. So here's an example. So going back to the home page, this one doesn't have it. So when I'm in the mobile, what I've done is and this is a good workaround to this. So if you have a homepage, a lot of websites do this where the homepage looks a little different than the other subpages. It doesn't have the same header and footer. So what I've done is I create buttons that go to the main pages that I want to direct people to. So I kind of figure out what are the top 3 or 4 things that people are doing on the site. Of course, contacting you is important. Maybe the galleries, markets, brands. Now I've added trending here, but this doesn't have a drop down. So we may want to rename this, and I could double click on this in mobile and change this to link to whatever. I currently have it linking to the featured projects because that had the most posts in it. And then I've called it trending, but maybe we call this projects. Featured projects is a little too long, but we could say projects or new, news, that kind of thing. Trending, I think, is also nice. So anyway, if we want to change this, this is where it's changed. But I can't link, or I can't have the drop down here, unfortunately, unless we change this overall layout. So if you would like, we can change this homepage so it has that same header footer that all the subpages have. So basically this dark bar that goes across it. I think that looks nice too. It's not a problem, but we designed the homepage with these specific photos in mind. We knew that these, we had a lot of space up here to work with. And so it has kind of a cleaner look, and it's kind of nice because it differentiates the homepage from all the subpages. But the downside of that, at least on Wix, is that you cannot show that mobile menu, that hamburger menu, on the home page with any page really without the header footer being being turned on. So anyway, if you want to change that, we can always change this home page to have the header and footer of all the other pages, and then we will have that hamburger menu here. Otherwise, we can do it just like this, where we guide people to the main pages you want to send them to, and then once they're in those pages, they have access to every other page in the mobile menu. It's just the home page that really is funneling them to the places we want them to go. You can also link to some of the other pages in any of these things, so they can still get to a lot of these pages by scrolling down and kind of seeing what else is on the page. So let me know what you think. We can certainly change that option, but I wanted to show you basically how to make edits to this menu. And if you ever mess things up again, no big deal. You can just move them back around by shuffling them here. Let me know if you have any other questions.